What's up, guys? So, picked myself up a brand new project car. Well, brand new to me project car. I know a lot of people aren't gonna like this because I could already get the vibe from the Instagram post. But here it is. It's a 1990 Miata, the first year they made them. Clearly bone stock except for the radio. Everything in this car is bone stock. I don't know how much maintenance has been done to it. I think there's records in the truck, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a bone stock Miata. It's a gray. I don't even know what I want to do with it yet. I don't even know if I want to like tastefully mod it or just keep it stock. This is it. This is gonna be like the next video cow for like the next month. I kind of just want another Miata because you can never have enough Miatas, right? One owner, that's one big reason I bought this car. I paid $2,100 for it, and guys, it literally had one owner on it. I got the title from 1990 when she bought it from the dealership and paid it off like a couple of years later. I don't know. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's really hard to come by these days as a 1990 Miata that has had one owner. It's got some hail damage on it. It's pretty hard to see. I don't even know if you can see that in the video. And I'm pretty sure the paint is original. The paint is clean, and overall, this car looks great. Like, you really, I don't think it's been in a wreck. I highly doubt it's been in a wreck. I didn't get a Carfax on it or anything. It's got those Miata, I don't even know why they have those, but the Miata cup holder covers, I don't understand that, but they're there. Top's in good condition. It's got some more hail in the back. It's got the original daisies. Exhaust might be leaking slightly. I apologize if the wind sucks. It's gonna suck, I can tell. I can't tell if it's the original top. Probably not, since this car is what, 25 years old, 26 years old, something like that. The window could obviously be replaced. It's a plastic window. A little bit faded right there. So we literally drove this car an hour and 10 minutes home just now from some place called Princeton, Texas. And on the way home, the clutch progressively got worse and it's slipping pretty bad right now. It still drives, but you can put it in 4th gear and, you know, give it some gas and you can tell the clutch is slipping. So that's gonna be the first thing we do. Other than the clutch, it runs and drives pretty good. It's got 166,000 miles on it. It needs brakes. Those, I don't know, I hope they're not original. I highly doubt, no, they're not original. It needs tags too. Those are out. That's okay. Here we have it. Literally a stock 1.6 in its natural habitat. It's a stock 1.6. There's not much to say about it.
And that's all I have to say about that.
Oil looks clean. Coolant looks good. It's like a pretty good deal. So, especially for $2,100. Joe, can you see anything that's not stock? I literally, oh, and this is a great sign. The freaking dipstick has the handle. That is rare. That is worth some money, as the seller told me. It is.
There's only one thing I can tell it's been replaced.
What?
And it's the coolant hose down there with the Napa sticker on it.
Oh yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
And the belt looks pretty new.
Clutch, brakes, oil change, oil looks clean. This car was not driven much.
Insert obnoxious as fuck overused copyright-free dubstep music.
I hope that's not full throttle.
No, it's not.
Alright, thank you. So we're getting our car inspected, and our good friend, he runs a auto shop, and we're trying to fix his printer right now. Can Joe do it? That's the question.
Don't put the pressure on me. I don't know how to like test it, see if it'll print anything out.
He was like, yo, if y'all can fix my printer, like the inspection's on me. So yeah. Oh, and a side note, this dude like lost control of his car and like hit 2 of his cars that are parked. And there's cops here, and this thing is not really legal yet. We're working on it.
That's why we're here.
Yeah, it's why we're here. We're getting it legal. Like, you know, yeah, it's kind of out of date a little bit, but we're fixing that right now. So, and it's insured. I got insurance on it. Oh, and I got insurance with uninsured motorist. That's the best part.
He learned his lesson this time.
I did. Gotta have the uninsured motorist. So, instead of working on the Miata right now, we're gonna try and show you guys how to fix a printer.
Okay, verify
160,000?
166. Woo. Moment of truth. That work?
Hell yeah.
Joe's the IT guy. He's got this. I think we're good. We can feed the printer one sheet at a time. I think we're good.
There we go.
Sweet.
There we go.
Thank you. And she's fully legal now. Well, I have to go to the tax office. So
it's on the house.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I apologize. It's kind of short. We really didn't do much other than just getting the car today. We got it inspected. It's insured. It's fully legal. Minus transferring it to my name, but I'll get that done. Subscribe if you haven't already. And drop a like and a comment of what you think of this Miata. It's pretty clean, dude. It's pretty clean. I like it. And drop a comment what you think we should do with it. I don't know. I'm kind of conflicted. But it's really dark and you can't see anything. So peace, guys. See you next time. Peace.
That's perfect, dude. I can see great. Go for it.
What do the Jake Paul thing?
What's talking?
Here,
About
I'll
to
wait.
get this jerk's Jeep stuck out of the mud.
Hey, I got the move.